Hey y'all, it's Desi, and I'm back with another video. It's been kind of busy this week. I lost my uncle last week, and so I've just been busy. I was sick last week, had to go to the hospital. You don't even want to know, but I'm doing better, so I'm out doing some errands and getting some stuff done. Just kind of a reset day. I've been kind of tired and working out a lot, so let's go. Let's see what's up.
It doesn't mean so much in the end. It doesn't mean so much in the end.
So maybe I'm late, but this bakery was super cute. They have cute stuff. The prices were reasonable. Coffee's good for sure. And a lot of people are here, so I guess I was the last one to know about it, but they have a lot of traffic coming through, so looks like a spot I'll probably come back to. So I like these tomatoes. They're on the vine. I use them for like my sheet pan meals. I got some strawberries and these black seedless grapes. They're so good. I usually get the red or the green grapes, but they're really good. If you haven't had them before, I would try them. These potatoes were only $5 for a 10-pound bag of yellow potatoes. I got some romaine hearts for my salad. We got some asparagus and green beans. I also use those on my sheet pan. Bag of Brussels sprouts. You know I use my Boursin cheese all the time, so I love that. We got some scrub daddies here to wash the dishes. I got also some mini cucumbers. I like those like when I'm making my Mediterranean food or whatever. Now this beef was a little pricey. It was $50, but strip steaks and ribeye steaks, they're all really high, and I like that they're all already thin sliced and separated, so they're good for like my rice bowls and whatnot. I got some raw shrimp. We got some bacon. This was $10 for like a 2-pack of the thick cut bacon, so why not? These were $10. This was only $15, and it's like a big pack of thick cut pork chops. When I'm at work at night, I usually get these burrito bowls, and these are actually pretty good. You just heat them up, and they already have everything already in them, and I just eat them with like chips or with a fork, whatever, but they're good. Now these are new. I've never tried these, but birria pupusas, come on. If you know, I love Mexican food, so that's what we're gonna do with that. Oh, and I showed these earlier, but these are the rice bowls. Sometimes I don't have time to cook rice, or it's like long grain. This is like the Asian sticky rice, and they're little perfect size bowls. They come 12 in a pack, so they're awesome.